Hey everyone, and welcome to your Trades of the Day video and recording. Hope you're doing amazing. I've missed you so much since our last discussion. Let's hop into some of the stocks because you fine folks who have been following me have been having an absolutely gangbuster last few days. So AAOI, congratulations my friends. AAOI having a monstrous day. Had a few of you reach out to me and mention that you did hold past the target, so congratulations. I did not see it in time. I'm down here in Houston working with a coaching student, a good friend of mine, so I didn't get a chance to move up the target, right? I was just talking about it yesterday. Wanted to lock in some profits for May and left a sizable chunk on the table. Yeah, about like $4,000. Anyway, Applied Optoelectronics, bottom line, we crushed that one, closing it out. The target of 36.16 is where I personally exited, but I am sure many of you did much, much better. So congratulations for a solid win. VRX, at this point, we can cancel it. It's not going to do its thing. And again, I mentioned we're going to cancel the other day if it's not going to trigger. So let's go ahead and cancel that particular trade. Bristol Myers had a pretty good day, up 1.43%. Did make a higher high and a higher low. I kind of like the gap. The high of today was 53.45, and the high of this candle was 53.40. So we did go a little bit higher. I like the gap. Fingers crossed that it continues. The weekly candles look pretty good so far, and we'll see. We will see. A good day tomorrow will be fantastic, especially if it was to open above 53.65, which I don't anticipate that to happen, but you never know. Next on the list is WEED, Weed, and just hang on to this one for a while. I don't think there's no reason to exit. We could probably hold this one most of June and most of July. So let's continue doing so on that one. And then these Chinese IPOs, ladies and gentlemen, crushing them. You could have been making as much money as you wanted to trading these things for free. You're getting these videos for free every day. HUYA is storming the castle right now. Looking real delish. Keep holding. 2 R's on this one is 27.74. I think we're going to try to stretch that one a little bit, and let's try to get it at 29.79. Get about 3 R's on that trade. That'd be a really good target on HUIA. It is a brand new IPO, so look to kind of get in, get out relatively quickly, and just kind of call it a day on that one. So we'll just have to see how she plays out. Next on the list is IQ. Getting a lot of good messages, a lot of good emails about this one. Up 11%. So the target on IQ is 27.93. That's what I have here on the chart. Let's continue holding until that happens. All volume looks good. All the candles looks good. Pretty much everything about this so far looks nice. So let's continue holding IQ. EVHC did trigger today. EVHC. So it triggered at 44.04. And it did kind of what I thought it was going to do. I was hoping it would pop out a little bit better than that. I was thinking of getting in and then setting a limit buy here at 43.54, but I guess I just talked myself out of it. Here's the weekly chart. So you did have a weekly gap and go last week. We made a little bit of a higher high, so we're retesting. Our stop is in an okay spot. Hopefully this one will continue to play out in our favor. Next on the list is BABA. We can go ahead and cancel BABA. Well, actually, no, we'll leave that open. We'll leave BABA open. BABA looks good. Never mind. I think we're going to leave that one open. Netflix. So hit NFLX. We'll leave Netflix open just in case you get a little bit of a sell-off at some point. We'll keep that one open. Still looks good, though. PAYC. So Paycom did gap up today, and we can cancel this trade. Pretty interesting shooting star. Well, actually, no. That could be okay as well. Sorry, I keep flipping back and forth, but this is just a really good candle for some bears, and I could see this coming in, actually. That makes sense. So since we want to bite off the 100, and it is making higher highs, let's keep that open. Here is RTN, and RTN, Raytheon, still open, still looks good. TRN, so here's TRN, Trinity, and right now it has not popped out. So I still like this setup, still like the entry, keeping that one open as well. And then Home Depot, ticker symbol HD here at 188. That one too is remaining open. So we have a few trades still open. Things are looking really, really good. Next on the list, we got HPE. So this is the one for today. We don't want to have too many trades open because, you know, if they all triggered and then they all cancel, we could lose a decent portion of money. So until we can start closing some more trades, I know we closed one on AAOI, which was great for good profit. So I'm cool to get into another one. But that's going to be this candle right here, this setup. Here's your long-term moving averages, right? We're at the 200. A little bit of a bullish candle, an aggressive trade to say the least. But if we get in early enough on this one, we might be able to snag some divvies, aka dividends. So 2018 HPE, and then we'll come over here to 1585, and then the next stop is going to be 1511, and that'll be shares. Bring this formula down. It's a good setup. Don't want to take them all. All right, good setup based on a gap and go, and it is open because it's not triggered yet. So many good things to look at. We're doing, again, just absolutely fantastic. Win-loss percentage right now is 71%. We're doing solid. We're doing really solid. So keep it up. It's mostly these newer IPO Chinese stocks we're just absolutely crushing. By the way, Billy, we exited that one a little bit early. So BILI, look at this monster. So, I mean, we played it well. I'm not going to be too upset about it. It did its thing, but man, what a crusher. Having fun trading with you folks. Thanks so much for tuning in. We have 2 more this week. We have some, well, actually, yeah, we'll keep crushing. Don't you worry. You keep tuning in. Videos are going to keep coming your way. Thanks so much for helping me enrich lives, and I will see you all tomorrow, which is Thursday. All right, bye.